A Rockford family says they owe their lives to the Red Cross volunteers who installed fire detectors in their home. That's because those smoke detectors went off, alerting them to a fire and allowing them to get out in time. Today, the family thanked those volunteers. Reporter Brett Brooks was there for the reunion.
From the time I was a little girl, I was always scared about fire.
At 2:45 a.m. on September 3rd, Doreen McCullough woke up to her worst nightmare.
And this is the first time I've ever been in a fire. I was never one growing up, but I've always been scared of one. And let me tell you, it's an awful feeling.
A vacant trailer next door caught on fire, spreading quickly to her home for the past 11 years.
And I looked out the window, and all I seen was this big orange ball of fire, and I froze. It caught this whole south side of our house on fire. And the smoke alarm that Red Cross put upstairs is the one that saved us.
The Sound the Alarm campaign has saved 640 lives, and we will add to that with Doreen and her family, the McCullough family, since it started 3 years ago.
These two Red Cross volunteers installed the smoke detector that went off that night, saving the lives of everyone inside.
First reaction was like, wow, this is something which we never expected.
This morning, Doreen reunited with those volunteers.
Something which is so emotional, we can't say in words, it cannot be expressed in our feelings.
Installing a smoke detector only takes about 5 minutes. After putting in around 300 smoke detectors in the area this summer, it took just this one to save a Rockford family.
That 5 minutes is going to save and give them a whole lot of life after that.
I just can't emphasize enough how important it is to have smoke alarms in your house. If that window wouldn't have been cracked and that smoke alarm wouldn't have been upstairs, I wouldn't be standing here right now.